Welcome back to the Furious Vibe, the place where raw adventure meets refined engineering. If you're into vehicles that push boundaries and redefine freedom on the road, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases for road warriors and van life enthusiasts alike, the 2026 IVECO Camper Van. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement, and it's making waves in the camper van world for all the right reasons. The 2026 IVECO Camper Van blends rugged utility with cutting-edge technology, offering a perfect balance between off-grid capability and modern comfort. Built on IVECO's new generation chassis, the van boasts increased durability and improved suspension, making it ready to handle everything from winding mountain trails to long coastal highways. It's clear that IVECO took the feedback from overlanders and full-time travelers seriously, refining every aspect of the drive and livability. Under the hood, the 2026 model features an upgraded diesel engine with enhanced fuel efficiency and lower emissions, thanks to IVECO's smart powertrain design. The torque delivery is smooth yet powerful, allowing the van to carry its fully equipped interior without compromising performance. A hybrid variant is also expected to hit select markets later in the year, targeting eco-conscious travelers who don't want to sacrifice range or reliability. Step inside, and the 2026 IVECO Camper Van instantly feels like a modern apartment on wheels. The layout is intelligently designed to maximize space without feeling cramped. A full-size bed, modular kitchen, and compact yet functional bathroom all come standard, with premium versions offering expanded solar arrays, lithium battery packs, and even satellite connectivity. Every surface and fixture is built to withstand the realities of mobile living, from temperature shifts to dusty trails. Connectivity is also a major highlight. The digital dashboard integrates seamlessly with your devices, offering real-time diagnostics, GPS, and climate controls via a central touchscreen. Voice-activated controls and remote monitoring through a mobile app make the entire system intuitive and future-ready. Whether you're parked in a remote desert or navigating tight urban spaces, the tech makes sure you're always in control. Another standout feature is the enhanced insulation and thermal management system. Whether you're chasing the summer sun or heading into alpine snow, the van maintains a stable interior environment with minimal energy draw. This makes year-round travel more viable than ever and eliminates one of the major pain points van lifers have dealt with in older models. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. With advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking, the 2026 IVECO Camper Van is designed to keep you secure no matter where you roam. It's not just a luxury, it's a reassurance that your adventures won't be cut short by preventable hazards. In essence, the 2026 IVECO Camper Van isn't just about traveling, it's about transforming the journey into a lifestyle. It's tailored for those who crave freedom without compromise, and who see the open road not just as a path, but as a destination in itself. Stay tuned here at the Furious Vibe for more deep dives into the most exciting machines redefining mobility in 2026 and beyond.